guys, welcome to Athena Tutorials. This is Nagashri Bharatwaj. Today let's start with new chapter of class 9, that is Herons Formula. But before that, let's understand some basics. How do we find the area of triangle? So the formula to find the area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Let's consider right angle triangle. Okay, so as we know, the area formula is equal to half into base into height. Correct. So the base of right angle triangle is BC. So this will be the base and height is AB. So I'll write it as H. That is nothing but height. Okay. Consider they have given the values of base and height. That is, base is equal to 8 cm and height is 4 cm. So to find the area, we need to substitute. So area is equal to half into base is how much? 8. And height is 4. So 2 ones are 2 4s are 8. So the area of triangle is 4 4s are 16 cm square. Let me consider another triangle. Okay, so here which is base and which is height? So the base will be BC and this will be the height. Okay, let's rewrite the formula here. So the area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay, so the base is equal to, let us consider as 4 and 4 centimeter and height as 2 centimeter. Okay, so area will be found out by substituting the values of base and height. Base is equal to 4 and height is 2 centimeter. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So the area of this triangle is equal to 4 centimeter square. Okay, so if they haven't given the base or height, then how do we find the area of triangle? So consider they haven't given the height. Okay, they have given only the base. Then here we need to substitute the value of height in order to find the area. So how to solve this? Okay, so here comes a new formula by Mr. Heron known as Herons Formula. The formula is given by area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, what is ABC and what is S? Let's consider a triangle. So let this be A and this B and C. So A, B, C are sides of the triangle. A, B and C are sides of the triangle. So this will be A, this is B and this is C. Then what is S? S is semi-perimeter. How to find the value of S? So S is given by the sum of all the sides divided by 2. Okay, so S is semi-perimeter and it is found by adding all the sides divided by 2. So this is Heron's formula. Let's understand this with an example. Find the area of triangle, sides of which are 8 cm, 11 cm and 13 cm. So they have given the sides, that is 8 cm, 11 cm and 13 cm. So we need to find the area of this triangle by using Heron's formula because we don't know the height. So Heron's formula, the formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Right? So we know the values of A, B, C. So A is equal to 8 cm, B is equal to 13 cm and C is equal to 11 cm. How to find the value of S? I'll continue the next slide. So S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. What are the values of A, B, C? A is 8, 13 and 11. So 8 plus 13 plus 11 divided by 2. So it will be 32 divided by 2. Hence the value of S is equal to 16 cm. Now let's substitute the values. So formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So what is S? Value of S is 16. So 16 into 16 minus 8. A value is 8. Okay. And 16 minus 13. B value is 13. And 16 minus C is 11. Okay. So again root of 16 into, what is 16 minus 8? It is 8 and 16 minus 13 is 3 and 16 minus 11 is 5. Okay, what is the root of 16? The square root of 16 is 4. We can take the value 4 outside and can we write 8 as 4 twos are? Yes. 4 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, we can take 4 also outside, like square root of 4 is 2. So this will be 4 into 2 root of 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So what is 4 2s are? 8. So 8 root 30 centimeter square will be the area of the given triangle. Okay. So area is equal to 8 root 30 centimeter square. I hope you have understood this problem. Let's continue with the exercise and learn more problems. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care and bye-bye.